It's time for another visit to a fabulous home bar. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen, coming to you from Panda's Tiki Lounge in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. This incredible home bar is the perfect place to escape from reality after a long day. Let's grab a drink and take a look around. A great tiki bar deserves a classic tiki drink, and it doesn't get much more classic than the 1944 Trader Vic's Mai Tai.
Hello and welcome to the Tiki Lounge. I am happy to put together a drink for you today. Probably my favorite drink, the quintessential tiki drink. It is the Mai Tai, and I like to follow the Trader Vic 1944 recipe as transcribed by Martin Cate in his wonderful book Smuggler's Cove. So in order to do that, we're going to first start by putting some ice in our shaker. And I have been taught that you are to use crushed ice and then one or two actual cube-sized pieces to serve as activators when you're mixing up the drink. So we're going to start with our mixers. First we have a 3/4 ounce serving of lime juice, and those are freshly squeezed. Then we have a 1/4 ounce of orgeat. I like to use Beach Bum Berries Latitude 29 formula orgeat. And then we have a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. And now we get to the hooch. We're going to put in 2 ounces of Appleton Estate amber rum. This is my favorite, my go-to rum from Jamaica. And then we're going to put in a 1/2 ounce of some orange curacao. I use Marie Brizard. It's a very nice, originally I used to use triple sec, but I didn't like the taste. It was very bitter to me. So this is much milder and sweeter. So I think this does a nice job in a Mai Tai. So we're gonna shake that puppy up. And now we're going to grab, I feel like going with a Lost Lake glass today. So we are going to pour in our Mai Tai. And now, according to the Smuggler's Cove recipe, the appropriate garnish for a Mai Tai is you take a 1/2 a spent lime and you take some mint, which I'm fortunate this time of year, I still have some fresh mint growing in our garden. We put it in like so, have a nice little faux bamboo straw. And then what you have here is a very simple, elegant drink, the Mai Tai. And the theory behind this garnish is that the lime looks like an island and the sprig of mint looks like a palm tree. So you've got a tropical drink both in taste and in presentation. So to all my friends, I say, Okole Maluna.
Panda's Tiki Lounge is a perfect place to grab a tiki drink, but it's also so much more. Full of amazing art, this welcoming space features not only a home theater, but one of the coolest offices you could ever hope to work in. Corporate America, take note. An office redesign like this is guaranteed to make productivity soar. I know I'd work overtime. We've enjoyed our afternoon at Panda's Tiki Lounge so much. Thank you to Andy for his hospitality and for inviting us to spend an incredible afternoon in his amazing space. If you'd like us to visit your home bar, leave us a message and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to visit our Facebook page for lovely libations, liquored up live broadcasts, and more. And don't forget to visit our website for even more recipes and fabulous merchandise. It's always happy hour at the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen.